If you're struggling with your digestion, you've got gas, bloating, maybe you've got slow digestion and constipation, well, this video is for you. I'm going to go through my 7 tips to help to improve slow digestion. Okay, tip number 1 is to stop snacking. Yeah, you don't want to be snacking between your meals because there's something called the migrating motor complex, and what this does is kind of like that cleanup mechanism between meals, and you need to be in a fasted state for that proper contraction of the digestive tract to happen. And by snacking, you are upsetting this normal rhythm, and that can really slow down your digestion in general and cause constipation. So do your best to stop snacking. Have 2 to 3 square meals a day. Okay, tip number 2 to help to improve that slow digestion is to reduce your blue light toxicity and your EMF exposure. Okay, what does this mean? This means artificial lights, not getting enough natural sunlight outside, which is full spectrum light, and too many EMFs from your devices and any electronics, your cell phone. This is going to disrupt your healthy microbiome and can really slow down digestion, causing constipation. Okay, number 3 is to optimize your health of your microbiome. This means making sure you've got enough of the good guys, your probiotics, and this could be really helpful to eat some fermented foods, so things like sauerkraut and kimchi, or even fermented vegetables, or even olives, which are in a brine, are a great way to get some natural probiotics into your gut. Of course, taking a good quality probiotic supplement can be really helpful for optimizing your microbiome as well, and great for normalizing those proper bowel movements. Okay, tip number 4 to get that digestion going is to increase your fiber. And getting enough fiber, yes, from your diet is very important. Some people do need to supplement, and I love psyllium seed husks in an ultrafine powder in an encapsulated form. This helps to expand with water, so bulking up your stool, and is a great way to ensure that things are moving through, and some less favorable organisms that could be attaching themselves to the gut wall, we want to move these through, and this is why that fiber is really instrumental in getting that digestion going, especially if you tend to be constipated. Okay, tip number 5 is, of course, to drink lots of water. So making sure that you're properly hydrated is really important, and drinking warm water is actually more beneficial versus cold water if you have slow bowels and a slow digestion. So try that, and drinking some warm, even hot water is a great way to get that digestion moving. Okay, tip number 6 is to do something called the ileocecal valve massage. Now, I have another video that describes exactly how to do this. Basically, you're going to do a massage in the area of your ileocecal valve, which is halfway between your right hip bone and your belly button. You're going to find that meeting point, and you do little circles in that area, and you do little clockwise circles in that area to really help to release anything that could be blocked there and to get that digestion going from the small to the large intestine. And number 7 on my list is probably my favorite and probably the most important point for any type of digestive issue. If you've got gas, bloating, inflammatory gut disorders, constipation, even diarrhea, is to follow what I call Mother Nature's prescription. And what is that? Well, that is connecting again with Mother Nature, getting grounded, taking off your socks and shoes, getting outside, under natural sunlight. Even eating your meals outside is going to do wonders for that slow digestion and helps to get your body clocks back in sync. Even your microbiome has a clock mechanism in tune with the light and dark cycle of the day and with the electromagnetism of the earth. And getting these cells all working together with the right rhythm of what we have around us in our beautiful environment makes all the difference for slow digestion, but other health issues as well. Now, to learn more about that ileocecal valve massage for constipation, diverticulitis, and SIBO, please check out this video. I'll see you there.